I just washed my hair. Use a clarifying shampoo first and a moisturizing shampoo afterwards. I made the mistake of taking my braids out that I had in for over a month and then just putting my hair up in a bun and leaving it that way for days. I didn't do any detangling, anything, so shame on me, I know, but I'm paying for it right now because my hair is like matted. And I should have probably detangled before I washed it, but I just didn't have time. So I am about to deep condition and detangle at the same time. I am using this brand new Café Hair Co deep conditioner. It is the African Baobab and Honey. Really good for like strengthening, repairing, nourishing, adding shine and moisture. It has honey, coconut milk, African Baobab. Smells so good. That's something you could eat, and it's very thick and creamy. It feels like, oh yeah, I love that it's like really thick, especially for my hair. It's like super dry right now. Feels really silky, like it has some slip to it. Feels really rich. So my hair is damp. I'm gonna start and work it in. Get any more dry. I need all the moisture and water that's in it right now to help me detangle. And put it directly in a bun because I was on another time crunch. I had to go to a graduation party and I was already super late. I mean super late. Like I was told to come at like, what did she say, 6? And I got there at like 8:30. My hair already feels more soft and manageable, but we'll see how good it does with detangling. Mind you, I have not detangled my hair in over a month, so if you see a lot of shedding left over in the comb of the brush, that's why. Don't be alarmed. What's your guys' favorite tool to use when detangling? I've not tried the brush yet. Probably should. It takes me a while to detangle, usually if I've been bad, like have my hair in a bun or ponytail for days. It takes me a while, and so I usually end up switching between like this comb and like this brush, because I don't know, it just seems like my hands get tired of using the same thing after a while. But if I had to only use one, I would probably just stick to like a wide tooth comb. So I got my hair all detangled. I had to hop back in the shower because I needed more water. It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so soft, moisturized. So I'm gonna leave it in these braids right now. I rinsed out the conditioner while my hair was in braids because I don't got time to be detangling again, all that stuff. So I'm gonna leave these braids in for my trip. I have like a over 3.5 hour drive, or pull my braids apart, probably in the car, and I'll take my oil and everything like that, my my leave-in conditioner, I'll spray that on it actually now, and then I'll just wrap it up, and hopefully it'll be dry by the time I get there, and I'll just pull it apart and I'll have some loose, like a loose wavy braid out. So yeah, I will try to get pictures and video, but I am running late. And so this was the final result. It did not dry fully, so that's the reason for the shrinkage and the reason why it's not as defined. But yeah, overall, I really like how it turned out. It feels so healthy and moisturized. So check out the Café Hair Co Deep Conditioner. Thanks for watching. Bye.